Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious canned rice and peas the only way. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 can of red kidney beans, rinsed well, and 1 cup of long-grain white rice, also rinsed. Don't forget 1 can of creamy coconut milk, a small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. We'll also use 1 sprig of fresh thyme, a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and some salt. Now, let's build the flavorful base for our rice and peas. Begin by finely dicing your small onion and mincing the 2 cloves of garlic. In a medium-sized pot, heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil over medium heat. Sauté the diced onion until it becomes soft and translucent. Then, add the minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute until it releases its wonderful aroma. Finally, stir in the 1/4 teaspoon of allspice and the fresh thyme sprig. It's time to bring everything together for our delicious dish. Carefully pour the entire can of full-fat coconut milk into the pot with your aromatic base. Next, add 1½ cups of water or vegetable broth to the mixture. Now, stir in your rinsed long-grain white rice and the thoroughly drained kidney beans. Bring the liquid to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer. Allow your rice and peas to simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until all the liquid has been completely absorbed and the rice is tender. Once cooked, carefully remove the thyme sprig from the pot. Gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains and ensure even distribution of the beans. Finally, taste your creation and adjust the salt if necessary. Serve your warm, flavorful rice and peas as a delightful and satisfying side dish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.